Alright, hey, what's up, YouTube? We're gonna do the team randomizer for this week's Budgetter's break. Um, it's been decided by the dice that we're gonna go 7 times. 7 times. Alright, guys, good luck. Here are all of our celebrants. Thank you once again, everybody. We're going 7 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Get over it. 4, 5, 6, and the last time, number 7. Alright, we got Vast Stoner on top. 1172 Hunt on the bottom. 7 times. Gonna copy this. And paste it here. Okay. Once again, Vast Stoner on top. Bless you. 1172 Hunt on the bottom. Alright, we're gonna do the teams. We're gonna do it once again 7 times. There's all the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you going yoga?
Yeah.
5, 6, and the last time, number 7. We got Bills on top, Ravens on the bottom. 7 times. Copy this. Put it in our Excel sheet. Alright, here are your teams. Vast Stoner, the Bills. Scat Cat, the Colts. G-Monster Asterisk, the Seahawks. Doug2448, the Eagles. Grand Poobah, the Panthers. Big B5508, the Bucks. G-Monster, the Bears. G-Monster, the Steelers. Saint67, the Lions. DJ John Aaron, Bengals. G-Monster, the Cardinals. P-Doubles, the Saints. G-Monster, the Giants. Woo! Les Jr., the Chargers. Get some, son. RK578, the Pats. The Real Smitty, the Packers. G-Monster Asterisk, the 49ers and the Redskins. Ooh, wonder who the Asterisk guy is. Purple People Eaters, the Texans. CHS Baseball, the Raiders. G-Monster, the Browns. Foxborough, the Broncos. IT87, the Jags. V. Guzman, the Rams. The Real Smitty, the Cowboys. Heavy Hitters, the Titans. Lethalization, the Dolphins. Stufan, the Vikings. Big Tummy, the Chiefs. Junes, the Jets. Mr. Franchise, the Falcons. And 1172 Hunt, the Ravens. So again, here are your teams. Go ahead and either sell, trade away, do whatever you want. And next video will be the break video. Bye, guys.